Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the dictation shortcut on Mac. So the dictation shortcut is a key combination you use to start voice typing. Mac give you several shortcut options so you can choose one that you like. Easy to remember and doesn't interfere with how you normally use your keyboard. Once changed, you will able to start dictation using that shortcut you have set. So let's see how you can change it. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to keyboard. Now here scroll all the way and then click on the drop down menu right to shortcut in dictation section. And here you will be prompted by many options. You will see options such as pressing Ctrl key twice, globe key twice, command key twice, or you even can create your own custom shortcut by clicking on this customize and then by following the on-screen instructions. So that's it. This is how you can change the dictation shortcut on Mac. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.